What can you say about the flight delay this morning?
If it's safe for safety reasons, then it's
Okay lang.
better that they did not.
Hindi tumuloy.
Fly. Hopefully they'll change the name.
Advice nila.
Boarding pass for claiming your meal at gate number 2.
Boarding pass daw ah. What is good about yung PAL? Ito, nagbigay sila ng lunch without demand from passengers. So meron silang libre na lunch. So we're here at the new Jensen Airport Terminal. Ito yung facilities, no? Maganda. Compared before na medyo grabe yung very congested.
Philippine Airlines flight PR2892 bound for Iloilo is now ready to board passengers.
So they're distributing food here.
First to board are passengers who require
Tayo?
special assistance.
Ikaw na lang?
Senior citizens and those within
Ikaw na lang. Bantay ako ng gamit. Sabihin mo lang.
comfort class passenger meaning Manila Premier Elite.
So Philippine Airlines is giving food.
We would like to
Because our flight has been delayed for 5 hours. So okay din tong Philippine Airlines kasi without any demand, automatic nagbibigay ng pagkain. Kahit na Jollibee yung pagkain, okay na.
Thank
No?
you from Philippine Airlines. Mabuhay.
Ha? Sino? Hindi, kinuha ko dito. Para hindi masyado ayan, no? So mahaba-haba yung pila. So we'll be getting our Jollibee pack meals. So what is good, no? Again, ayan. From 9 o'clock naging 1 o'clock or 2 o'clock. Lumipad na daw yung aeroplano sa Manila. Bumalik because of airplane issues. So okay naman yun, safety issues. Bumalik sila. So as a result of that, kami ngayon is delayed. Buti lang makahabol pa kami ng connecting flight mamayang gabi, no? Going abroad. Ayan. Pipila din ako. Sige. Okay.